To reduce downtime and maintenance, we apply our Rokide coatings. And this is how we do it. We start right basically from raw material, goes through our pre-machining process on our CNC machines. We have a thermal spray gun that has a really high temperature flame on it. So as the rod goes through the flame, the rod melts and is atomized and sprayed onto our part. As our part is rotating, the coating is being applied. The Rokide coating is a ceramic coating, so it's very hard. It's very abrasive resistant. We have different coatings to combat different scenarios, whether that be corrosion, chemical, abrasive, sand, those types of things. If you're interested in saving thousands with a resilient Rokide coating, follow our link in the bio.